What if I told you that by 2027, a robot built by Tesla will be walking into factories, warehouses, and possibly even your home, doing the work of a human being, for just $20,000, and Elon Musk just confirmed it's already walking around right now? That's not clickbait, that's not speculation, that is the reality of Tesla's Optimus Gen 3, and today on Drive Tech Tesla, we are going deeper into this story than anyone else on YouTube, because the 2027 task update for Tesla Bot Gen 3 is so massive, so jaw-dropping, and so full of details that the mainstream media is completely sleeping on, that you need to stay locked in until the very end of this video, because the last thing we reveal about what Optimus Gen 3 can do will genuinely blow your mind. So if you're new here, welcome to Drive Tech Tesla, hit that subscribe button right now, because we cover Tesla and EV technology every single day, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. Now let's get into it. On March 31, 2026, Elon Musk posted on X, the platform formerly known as Twitter, that Optimus 3, Tesla's third-generation humanoid robot, is already mobile and operational, meaning it is literally walking around Tesla's facilities as we speak, but he added that it needs a few finishing touches before it can be shown to the world publicly. Now that might sound like a delay, and yes, technically Tesla missed its Q1 2026 showcase timeline, but here is the part that most people are missing. Musk isn't delaying because there's a problem, he's delaying because he wants this reveal to be absolutely perfect, and based on everything we know about what Gen 3 can do, when it does appear publicly, it will be unlike anything the world has ever seen. Let's rewind a little bit so you understand what we're really talking about here. Tesla Optimus Gen 3, also called Optimus V3 or Tesla Bot V3, is not just an upgraded version of the Gen 2 robot. This is an entirely new leap forward in what a humanoid robot can physically accomplish. The most immediate and world-changing upgrade is the hand system. Tesla's Gen 3 hands feature 22 degrees of freedom, that is double the 11 degrees of freedom that the Gen 2 hands had. 22 degrees of freedom means these hands can move, twist, grip, pinch, rotate, and manipulate objects in nearly the same way a real human hand can. When Tesla AI posted a photo on Weibo showing the Gen 3 hands up close, the reaction from robotics engineers and AI experts around the world was immediate. People were saying these hands look almost identical to real human hands. And this matters more than almost anything else about the robot, because the hands are what determine what tasks a robot can actually perform in the real world. If your robot can't handle delicate objects, can't thread a bolt, can't pick up a fragile item without crushing it, then it's useless for 90% of the tasks humans do every day. Tesla just solved that problem. On top of the revolutionary hand system, Optimus Gen 3 is powered by Tesla's AI-5 chip, the most powerful AI processing chip Tesla has ever built, and it runs on Grok Voice AI, which is the conversational artificial intelligence developed by Elon Musk's xAI company. This means Optimus Gen 3 doesn't just move like a human, it can understand language, respond to verbal commands, carry on a conversation, and reason about complex tasks in real time. The robot also features 50 actuators across its body, which control every movement from its fingers to its toes, giving it a level of physical precision that earlier generations simply could not achieve. And in April 2026, Tesla confirmed that Cortex 2.0 Phase 1, a 250-megawatt AI training supercomputer, came fully online, and this is the backbone that trains Optimus's brain. More computing power means faster learning, which means the tasks Optimus can perform are evolving at a rate that is genuinely hard to track from the outside. Now let's talk about what is arguably the most important part of this entire story, the 2027 production timeline, because this is where things get really crazy. Elon Musk confirmed at the Abundance Summit on March 12, 2026, speaking with Peter Diamandis, that Tesla is in the final stages of developing Optimus Gen 3, and he said production would begin in summer 2026 with a slow initial ramp. High-volume production, we're talking tens of thousands of units, will follow in 2027, with the eventual goal of reaching millions of units per year. And consumer availability? Musk confirmed at Davos in January 2026 that public consumer sales are targeted for the end of 2027. Let that sink in for a second. By the end of next year, you could potentially buy a Tesla humanoid robot for somewhere between $20,000 and $30,000. That is the price target Elon Musk has confirmed multiple times, and while current manufacturing costs are estimated to be significantly higher, somewhere between $50,000 and $100,000 per unit. Tesla has a proven track record of driving down manufacturing costs at scale faster than anyone thought possible. Remember when people said a $50,000 Tesla was too expensive? Now you can buy a Model 3 for far less. The same cost reduction story is going to happen with Optimus, and it's going to happen faster than most people expect. Now, to understand why 2027 is such a critical year for Tesla Bot Gen 3, you need to understand what Tesla is doing on the manufacturing side, because the factory story here is absolutely insane. Tesla has made a decision that signals just how serious they are about Optimus. They are physically converting the Fremont factory's Model S and Model X production lines into Optimus manufacturing lines. Think about that. Tesla has stopped making two of its most iconic, high-end vehicles at Fremont and is repurposing that entire factory space to build robots. That tells you everything about where Tesla sees the future of its business. The Fremont facility is being retooled with a target production capacity of 1 million Optimus units per year. 1 million robots per year. From a single factory. But that's not even the full picture, because at Giga Texas, Tesla is building a dedicated Optimus manufacturing facility that is targeting a capacity of 10 million units per year. 10 million humanoid robots annually from one facility. To put that in perspective, the entire global automotive industry produces around 90 million cars per year across hundreds of factories worldwide. Tesla is talking about producing 10 million robots from a single facility. That is a manufacturing achievement that has never been attempted in human history. And here's what makes this even more staggering: as of March 2026, Tesla already has hundreds of Optimus units in internal testing at Tesla factories right now, performing real tasks on real factory floors, alongside real human workers. These aren't demo robots doing tricks for a camera. These are robots doing actual work. So now let's get to the question you've been waiting for. What tasks is Tesla Bot Gen 3 going to be performing in 2027? Because this is where the update gets truly massive. Based on everything Musk has confirmed, combined with what we know from the engineering capabilities of Gen 3, we can paint a very clear picture. In the immediate term, meaning right now through 2026, Optimus units are working inside Tesla's own factories performing manufacturing and assembly tasks. They are handling parts, moving components, performing repetitive assembly operations, and doing quality inspections. Tesla estimates that having Optimus units work inside its factories will dramatically reduce manufacturing costs across the board, which in turn helps Tesla reduce the price of its vehicles. So even before you personally own an Optimus robot, the robot is already making your Tesla cheaper. In 2027, as high-volume production ramps up, the first commercial customers are going to be industrial and enterprise clients. Think warehouses, logistics companies, manufacturing plants, and large-scale industrial operations. These are companies that currently pay enormous amounts of money for human labor to perform repetitive, physically demanding tasks. An Optimus robot that can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, never takes a sick day, never gets tired, and costs $20,000 to $30,000, plus whatever the operating cost is, represents a completely transformative economic proposition for these businesses. Elon Musk himself has said that Optimus could affect a country's GDP. He wasn't joking, and he wasn't exaggerating. When you can deploy tens of thousands of robots into your national economy that each perform the equivalent of full-time human labor, the economic output implications are genuinely civilization scale. But beyond the factory floor, the tasks that Gen 3's advanced hands and AI brain open up are far more nuanced and exciting. Because of the 22° of freedom hands and the precision of its 50 actuators, Gen 3 can handle delicate objects, things that earlier robots would simply crush or drop. This opens up tasks in healthcare and eldercare, where robots could assist people with limited mobility, help with medication management, assist in rehabilitation, and support care workers who are currently stretched incredibly thin. It opens up tasks in agriculture, where the precision of the hands enables fruit picking, plant handling, and crop management, tasks that currently require enormous amounts of seasonal human labor. It opens up tasks in construction, where a robot that can handle tools, lay materials, and work alongside human builders could dramatically speed up housing and infrastructure development at a time when the world is desperately short of construction workers. And yes, it opens up tasks in the home, tasks like cleaning, cooking, doing laundry, organizing, and generally assisting with the hundreds of small physical jobs that take up human time every single day. Musk has talked at length about Optimus eventually becoming a household product, something you own like a car, that helps you with daily life. And with the end of 2027 consumer availability target, that future is not decades away, it is less than 2 years away. What's even more remarkable is the intelligence piece. Because Optimus Gen 3 isn't just a mechanical system, it's an AI system with a physical body. Powered by the AI-5 chip and trained on Tesla's Cortex-2.0 supercomputer, Optimus can learn, adapt, and improve its performance over time. Tesla's FSD-derived AI, the same underlying technology that powers Tesla's full self-driving system in its cars, is what gives Optimus its ability to understand its environment, navigate complex spaces, and make real-time decisions. And because Optimus is connected to Tesla's AI ecosystem, every lesson learned by one robot can potentially be shared across the entire fleet. This is the same principle that makes Tesla's FSD get better as more cars drive, millions of data points feeding back into a central neural network, making every individual robot smarter over time. Imagine deploying 10,000 Optimus robots in 2027, each one learning every single day, and all of them sharing that knowledge in real time. The rate of capability improvement would be exponential in a way that no previous technology has matched. Now, Musk also shared something at the Abundance Summit that I want to make sure we highlight here on Drive Tech Tesla, because it speaks to a much bigger vision that goes beyond just robots doing tasks. Musk described a future post-scarcity economy where super-intelligent AI, the kind that Optimus is connected to, fundamentally changes what work means for humanity. He suggested that universal high income, not just universal basic income, but genuinely high income for everyone, becomes possible when you have an army of intelligent robots producing goods and services at massive scale. He also predicted that Tesla would probably be the first company to develop artificial general intelligence in a humanoid form, meaning a robot that doesn't just follow instructions, but genuinely reasons, plans, and solves problems the way a human brain does. AGI in a robot body. Powered by Tesla. Available for $30,000. If that doesn't make your jaw drop, I don't know what will. Now, it's fair to mention that Tesla has a history of ambitious timelines, and Optimus is no exception. The robot, like FSD and the Cybertruck before it, has faced delays and shifting dates. The honest reality, as industry analysts have pointed out, is that 2026 is a credibility test for Tesla, reach low-volume Gen 3 production near schedule, and the manufacturing story is validated. Slip again, and the skepticism from critics will harden. But here's what's different this time, we have real evidence of real progress. Hundreds of units already in internal testing. A revealed Gen 3 reveal at a Shanghai Expo. Physical factory conversion underway at Fremont. The Cortex 2.0 AI training infrastructure already online. Elon Musk's confirmation that the robot is already walking. These aren't promises, these are physical, verifiable milestones. And the competition has noticed. The humanoid robot race has gotten suddenly very crowded, with companies like Figure, Boston Dynamics, Agility Robotics, Aptronic, and China-based firms like Unitree all pushing hard into the space. But Tesla's combination of AI expertise, manufacturing scale, an existing global supply chain, and the financial resources of one of the most valuable companies in the world puts it in a category of its own. As one industry observer put it, a $30,000 general-purpose humanoid robot that genuinely works and ships at volume is the kind of product that rewrites labor math for warehouses, factories, and eventually homes. Tesla is the only company on the planet positioned to actually deliver that at the scale necessary to change the world. The expected full public reveal of Tesla Optimus Gen 3 is targeted for late July or August 2026, just weeks away from when this video is going live. And when that reveal happens, the world's reaction is going to make every previous Tesla product launch look small by comparison. Because this isn't a car, it's a robot that could replace trillions of dollars of human labor, built by the most innovative manufacturing company on Earth, led by a man who has already changed the automotive industry, the space industry, and social media. And now he's coming for the labor economy itself. The question isn't whether Tesla Bot Gen 3 will change the world in 2027, the question is how fast, how many, and are you paying attention early enough to understand what's happening? That is exactly why we cover this every single day here at Drive Tech Tesla, because the future is moving at a speed that most people are not prepared for, and our job is to make sure that you are never left behind. So here is what I want you to do right now. If this video opened your eyes even a little bit, smash that like button because it genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need to hear this story. Drop a comment below and tell me, do you think Tesla will hit its 2027 production targets, or do you think we're looking at another delay? I read every single comment, and your opinion matters. And if you are not yet subscribed to Drive Tech Tesla, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell right now, because we are going to be covering the Optimus Gen 3 reveal live when it happens, and you do not want to miss that video. The robot revolution is not coming, it's already here, and Drive Tech Tesla will be your front row seat to all of it. See you in the next one.